Hi, it's Linda. It's Sunday afternoon and I'm going to make a really quick, yummy dinner because I'm trying to create other things and it's just, you know, it takes time. I did do a recipe last night I still need to edit. Anyway, this one is just a simple one that many of you probably have already known about in the past, and I just tweaked it a little bit, and I think other people have too, just to make it simple and more WW friendly. And this is Mississippi pot roast. And I know you've probably heard of this or maybe made this before in the past. I'm making this with my Instant Pot. You can do this with your Crock Pot, which is how it's usually done, where you would cook it 6 to 8 hours. But I like my Instant Pot, doesn't take as long. And so this is what I do. I got it heating on saute on my Instant Pot. I'm gonna spray a little bit of olive oil in the bottom because I want to brown my roast. And I got an extra lean London Broil. It's about 1 3/4 pound, completely extra lean. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, I browned or seared it, browned the roast. A little bit of olive oil on both sides. This is kind of what it looks like. This helps seal in the flavors. Also, I sprayed my Instant Pot with a little bit of non-stick spray pan first because stuff like this likes to stick. And so anyway, just thought I'd tell you that. So then we have the seared roast. Then you're going to add 1 cup of beef broth. Just pour that right on top. Also, I put a little bit of salt and pepper on top of the roast. So 1 cup of beef broth. Just a second, let me plug this back in. I unplugged it. And we'll set that aside. And then the rest of it is really simple. And just so, one of the things that I do is I keep beef broth and chicken broth in my cupboard, in my pantry for recipes. I just stock up on them, so when I want to make something, they're a quick staple, and so easy to use. So now I'm going to take, this is just your Au-Jus powdered gravy mix. I'm going to sprinkle this on top. Just sprinkle it right on top of the roast. Then you're going to do the same thing with a packet of the ranch dressing. Just going to take the powder, going to sprinkle it right on top. And that's all you do. And then you're going to add some pepperoncinis on the top. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons. I don't know how many she said. She said 3 to 4 pepperoni peppers. But I buy them already slivered up like this. So it's easier just to push right on top of it. Or just sprinkle on top, I mean. So I'm sprinkling them right on top of that roast. And then just a tiny bit of the juice also on top of the roast. So I'm just lightly pouring some of the juice to add a little bit extra flavor. I'm going to put the Instant Pot lid on. If you don't have an Instant Pot, I'll include a link to it. My favorite thing, that in my Power Air Fryer oven. Put it on pressure, which on this one is like right here in the middle. Very important. Some on the side. And then we're going to go to manual. Hit manual, and we're going to set it for 45 minutes. So I'm going to set it for 45 minutes, and then it'll be all done, and we'll have maybe some steamed vegetables, maybe some cauliflower rice, or maybe a little bit of potatoes. I'm not quite sure how many points we have left. Anyway, it's only 5 points per serving. Really yummy. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, 45 minutes later, and it's all done. If you want, you could cook this in the Crock Pot. Like I say, it's on low. I think it said between 6 and 8 hours. On high, 3 to 4 hours. Or you can do an Instant Pot and cook this in 45 minutes. And so, take this off. I'll show you this. Hopefully I don't have any interruptions here, but came out really good. And then what you do is you can take a couple forks. There's 4 peppers in there, but I'm just kind of showing you this real quick. Because you can take it and you shred it, but I really wanted to cut it more as a roast, but look, as you can see, it's just falling apart. It's so tender. Look at this. This is amazing. And it is full of so much flavor. There's a lot of servings here. So this is what we're having for dinner. I'm going to put some more of the pepperoncinis that are in the juice on top of this. I'm going to put this on our plates here. This is a very lean London broil. And this whole plate of dinner with this is probably, I say, probably 6 points, and the rest is like 7 points. And then here's some of the Au-Jus. You can pour right on top of it. And like I say, there's more peppers, which I should have got a slotted spoon out, but you get the idea. And you pour the peppers on top of it. And this is what we're having for dinner. Okay, let me finish this up. Anyway, it came out really good, very tender. You can shred it, with a couple forks, or I just sliced it. So it's going to go right on our plates here. And there's the pepperoncinis in the bottom. There's all kind of Au-Jus pepperoncinis, just a spoon right on top. And so I'm serving it with the cauliflower rice. These are the rice veggies from Green Giant. You just cook them in the microwave 5 to 6 minutes. I add a little bit, after they're done, I add a little bit of garlic salt and butter, garlic salt and pepper, and sometimes a little bit of the Brummel and Brown butter, like a teaspoon of it. And then I'm steamed some broccoli and some carrots. And so this is our dinner. I think it's about 7 points for everything together. Very yummy. If you love my recipes, then please share my channel with others. I just would encourage other people, as I've lost 80 pounds on WW and continue to stay below my goal and enjoying every minute of it. Have a wonderful day, very blessed day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.